Hello, it's Sissy from Just Kitty Photography. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I do this peeking toes wrapping technique. Super cute. Okay, let's get started. You put the baby in the middle of a long wrap. Usually I prefer the wrap being about 1.5 meters long at least. Then you use the bottom bit to tie her feet up in a knot. I do double knots just to secure her feet. And bring the left wrap across to the right. And then the right wrap across to her left. You need to use a very stretchy wrap so that you can secure her arms and legs. Make it fairly tight. Babies like being wrapped quite tight because that's how they were in the womb. And then you put her legs and feet up towards your chest in a curled position. Then the left bit goes around her back, comes forward. So it's a crisscross shape at the front of her chest. And bring to the bottom. It's like an A shape, figure eight. So now the right bit, you can hide it underneath, or you can just tuck it into the chest. And now I'm gonna work on to my right bit of the wrap. Make sure her feet were bent up and being tucked into the wrap. And now the right bit of the wrap goes behind her back, same as the left bit. Do it nice and slow, you don't have to rush, just to make sure the wrap has to be tight and the baby's nice and comfortable. Again, from the bottom up, doing a figure eight across her shoulders. You need to always make sure that her hands and fingers are relaxed and not being purple. Take your time to do this, and if baby starts to wiggle or starts to being unsettled, just stop and give her a bit of settle. Tuck the right bit at the end, at the back of the baby, so using her weight to secure the entire wrap. Now I was working on her fingers. I like the fingers looking relaxed rather than in fist. Some babies don't like fiddling their fingers. They may cry or they may fight back. So you do it nice and gentle. I like putting their fingers underneath their chin. It looks very cute. Okay, now I transit the baby into the setup that I prepared before the clients arrived. This saves you time, and so we can move the session smoothly and without disturbing the baby. Putting the headband on, and make sure the baby's head and toes have a tilt. The way how she lies down is not a straight line, it's like a V shape. I like the baby to be placed in this way because she looks super cute. Once you put the hairband on, I would make sure that everything, all the details is perfectly fixed. Like her hands are relaxed, her fingers are relaxed, and the layers underneath are visible, and her head is securely placed onto the pillow. Okay, here are some final images. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Hope you guys have learned from my wrapping technique, and we'll see you next time.